Mama, thank you for who I am. Thank you for all the things I'm not. Forgive me for the words unsaid, for the times I forgot. Mama, remember all my life. You showed me love, you sacrificed. Think of the young and early days, how I've changed along the way. And you know you believed, and I know you had dreams, and I'm sorry it took all this time to see that I am where I am.